Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen XJ. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the newest product from Magtame, the Magtame Magstay. But before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to our friends from Magtame for sending us this product. Without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the Magtame Magstay cable. Start with the box. On the front, you'll find details about the Magtame magnetic stay cable and what it is capable of. Next, let's take a look at the back of the box. Here, you'll see information about the cable type, such as Type A to Type C to Type C, as well as the color options. Next, let's check out what's in the box. In this box, this is the Type C to Type C model. Inside, there is one cable, clean, sturdy, and ready to use. One info card with a thank you note and contact details. Finally, one small metal plate for easy mounting. Simple setup, all essentials packed in. The stay cable has a standard connector on one end for your charger or PC, and a magnetic tip on the other. The braided cable adds a nice touch of durability. According to Magtame, the cable's nylon braiding offers a solid 30 kg of tensile strength. It supports up to 3 amperes charging and a data transfer speed of up to 480 megabits per second. Not bad for a compact cable. The metal plate comes with a blue protective film. Just peel that off before mounting. On the back, there is a double-sided tape, so you can stick it securely to any surface you want. Testing the magnetic hold, the metal plate acts as a sturdy mounting base. Strong magnetic attraction to the cable end ensures the cable stays securely in place without slipping. The two cables look almost identical. One has a Type A connector on one end and a Type C on the other, while the second cable has a Type C connectors on both ends. Both cables use the same material for the cord and magnetic parts, ensuring consistent quality and performance. Comparing it to Magtame's other cable model, which the cable is magnetized, but not the end. As you can see here, the metal plate sticks directly to the cable body. In the video, I placed the metal plate on the front part of my work table, in which I can easily and neatly store the Magstay cable and easily access it anytime I want to use it. I really love this solution from Magtame. You don't have to use the metal plate either. For example, my table has metal legs, so I can just attach the Magtame stay cable directly to the leg. It is super convenient and just as effective. You can also set it up near your bed for easy access. I actually placed one on the side where my wife sleeps. On our bedside cabinet, there's a metal lamp, so I can either use that directly as a mount for the Magtame stay cable or stick the included metal plate on the front for an even more convenient spot. Also perfect for your car. Just place the metal plate on your dashboard and you've got a neat and secure mount for your Magtame stay cable while driving. Overall, the Magtame Magstay cable is a smart, stylish, and a practical solution for everyday cable management. If you're looking for a cable that not only performs well, but also stays right where you need it, this one's definitely worth checking out. And I think that is it for the unboxing and review of Magtame's stay cable. If you have any other questions, just comment down below in the comment box. And I think that is it. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.